Welcome to my channel. I'm now in the terrarium plants era, in which I start collecting all plants that requiring high humidity. Today I'll be unboxing a plant that I ordered from eBay, in which require a little insulation since it is cold outside, which is 60 degrees. This seller did very good job at packaging. Look at the insulation and how the plant was wrapped. So when I wrapped it the first time, I was like, what is this smash burger cup? I just couldn't wait to see the plant. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Begonia Negrosensis, a cane-like begonia from the island of Philippines. So I was wondering how to get these plants out from this cup, and I saw these sticks and I was like, oh, so the seller used it to put these plants together so it stays put in the cup. Just the power of gravity and a simple common sense. So I carefully cut the tapes and pull the bamboo skewers out from the cup. The seller put an additional insulation inside the cup so the plants will not move around. I'm into small and compact sized plant terrarium at this time, so that concludes my unboxing video for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more plant related videos. Thank you for watching.